Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing obvious system strains so Windows can respond. First, install all pending Windows updates and restart. This often fixes low-level bugs. Once done, open Task Manager and end processes using excessive CPU, RAM, or disk. Make a note of the offenders. Then run disk cleanup and remove temporary files, aiming to free at least 10% of your drive for swap and cache. These first steps restore baseline responsiveness quickly and reveal deeper problems to tackle next. Now you dig into performance tuning so Windows runs efficiently under load. Update graphics and chipset drivers directly from the manufacturer. Outdated drivers cause stutters. Once done, change your power plan to high performance or balanced and disable aggressive CPU throttling. This reduces micro-lags. Next, set a custom page file sized around 1.5 to 2 times your RAM if you're low on physical memory. Finally, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. These steps stabilize finish by locking in changes and preparing for recovery. Disable non-essential startup and background apps so they don't steal resources at login. Update SSD firmware and ensure trim is enabled. Drive inefficiency causes slowdowns over time. Make a restore point or backup now so you can revert if a change misbehaves. If lag continues, do a clean boot or restart into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. This is the key troubleshooting step that tells you whether Windows or an app is causing the slowdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.